Desire is the main motivator in pulling you to manifest what it is you want. And if you don't have this burning desire for something, you're not going to be pulled to focus your attention on manifesting it. You need that burning desire. You need a want for it. Maybe you have this deep desire for something more, but you're comfortable. Your life's pretty okay right now. And to change would be uncomfortable. So you kind of just put it off. You don't really want it. You have to kind of be in this desperate place or this really excited place to pull you to want to change, to pull you to sit down and focus on what it is you want. Because manifestation needs that attention and focus. You have to align with what it is you want. And that takes a certain amount of energy to put the work in, to visualizing, to feeling it, to becoming it. What's important for you to realize is that we're always manifesting. But if you want to manifest a certain thing, you have to manifest with power behind it. You have to focus with intention. And most of the things that I have manifested with intention in my life came from a deep craving, a burning desire for something. I wanted it so bad that all of my focus and attention went to my desire. It's all I could think about. It's all I wanted. So for instance, when I was a teenager, I did not feel good about myself. I was really insecure. And I kept attracting these relationships in my life that were not good for me. And I realized the problem was me. The problem was I was insecure. And I didn't feel good about my body. I didn't feel good about the way I looked. And so I was accepting these guys into my life who didn't treat me very well because I didn't feel good about myself. I didn't think I deserved someone better. And so I had this epiphany one day that I needed to level up my confidence. I needed to feel really good about myself, and then I would attract a partner who would treat me with respect, who treated me the way that I treated myself. And so I took all of my energy and I focused on what it is I wanted. I would visualize this other confident, fit, ideal, physique looking version of me. And I would live in that reality. I would go into that reality every night before bed. And I felt so excited about it. I couldn't wait to go into that visualization. I had that deep craving for it. And that's what drove me to focus all of my attention, to focus all of my energy towards this goal of losing weight, towards this goal of feeling better about myself, to feeling confident, to living the life that I wanted. And because I had this burning desire for it, I was able to focus my awareness, my attention on it, and sustain my attention on it repeatedly, day after day after day after day. And when I was able to visualize this totally different version of me, that gave me the confidence and trust and faith that that was going to happen, that it was done. I could see it so clearly. And that changed my self-concept. I now believed that I was that version of me, took the actions as if that were me now. I started to work out. I started to eat less. I started to behave more confidently. I got rid of all of those bad guys out of my life, any toxic person in my life. And I manifested my dream physique. I manifested this confident version of me that I had never been before. And this all stems back from that deep, burning desire to be someone else, to be this confident version of me. And that's what motivated and drove me to focus all of my attention on what it is I wanted. So if you're having trouble visualizing, I'm going to ask you a series of questions and I want you to answer them honestly. How bad do you want this thing? How bad do you want your life to change? Are you comfortable in your life right now? Do you feel so excited at the idea of this other life, this other version of you that you could be living? Are you craving what it is you want badly enough to focus all of your time, energy, and attention on it? Do you have a hunger for more? Because you need that hunger. You need that burning desire. You need that craving to go after what it is you want. Because if you're just comfortable with your life and you're okay with your life, you're never going to go after this other life. You're never going to believe it's possible. You need that desire. You need that motivation to put all of your attention and focus and awareness on it, to creating it, to visualizing, to doing the work. That takes a lot of energy and effort. You have to do it repeatedly, day after day after day, just like I did. And you will get there if you want it bad enough. So do you want it bad enough? I'm trying to motivate you here, so I'm hoping that this is really getting through to you right now. Because you need that burning desire to take off and live the life you want. To put in that work. To visualizing every day before bed. That takes dedication, and that takes a motivation. And that takes that burning desire. I hope this video was helpful, that you feel motivated, you feel reignited in what it is you want, you feel excited. You know, this should be so exciting for you. Every night before I went to bed, when I was on my weight loss journey, when I was becoming this version of me I'd never been before, that was so exciting. And I still create from that same place today. You need to feel this excitement for what it is you want. Because that pull, that burning desire for it, will motivate you to do the work. So I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video.